In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add authentication for signers in Zoho Sign. To start, open your preferred web browser and head to Zoho. If you're not already signed in, enter your credentials and log in. Once you're in the Zoho home screen, look for the app launcher and select Zoho Sign. This takes you to the Zoho Sign dashboard, where you can prepare documents for e-signature with added verification. From the dashboard, choose Send for Signatures. You'll be prompted to add your files. Upload the document you need signed from your computer, or pull it from connected cloud storage. It's a good idea to double-check that you're using the final version and that the file name is clear, so recipients recognize it easily. Next, go to the Add Recipients section. Enter each signer's name and email address exactly as they use them. Accuracy matters here because the authentication methods rely on these contact details. If you have multiple signers, confirm the order and make sure you've assigned the correct email to each person. For each recipient, locate the More icon or the Customize option next to their details. Click it to open the recipient-specific settings. Here, find the Authentication Type dropdown. This is where you choose how you want the signer to verify their identity before they can access the document. Email OTP is the simplest option. With this method, the signer receives a one-time code by email. It's a good default for most scenarios. Remind signers to check their spam or promotions folder if they don't see the code right away, and ensure the email you entered is correct. SMS OTP sends a verification code to the signer's mobile number. Enter a valid phone number, including the correct country code, and confirm the number with the signer if you're unsure. This is great when you want a second channel beyond email, but make sure SMS delivery is supported in the signer's region and that your plan allows it. Offline code lets you create your own passcode and share it separately. This works well when you already have a trusted communication channel with the signer. Share the code through a different medium than the invitation email and don't include it inside the document. For security, store it briefly and delete it once the signing is complete. After you select the authentication method for a recipient, click Save to apply it. Repeat these steps for any additional recipients as needed. Once saved, your chosen authentication will be enforced when the signer accesses the document, adding an extra layer of security without complicating the signing experience.